Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use a DSLR. Now DSLR stands for Digital Single Lens Reflex. Digital part's quite simple. It saves onto an SD card just in here. The single lens part describes this bit on the front here, the single lens. Some cameras, maybe your iPhones and other phones, have several lenses on the back. This is because the lenses aren't powerful enough to distinguish between a wide shot and a close. So these lenses are more powerful, so you can do it all in one. The reflex bit refers to the moment you take a photo. What happens is when you press the shutter button, the iris opens up, light comes through, hits the back plate, down onto the back, and then creates the image. So first thing you need to do is turn the camera on. To do that, you're just going to turn this dial on the shutter button there to on. Automatically the screen comes to life. To be able to see what you want to film, you need to press this button here that says Live View. Click that, and the screen will change to whatever the camera is pointed at. To then set up your shot, what you need to do is zoom in using this larger part of the lens here. And then once you're zoomed all the way in, you're going to adjust this one here to bring it to focus and then zoom out. On the side here, you've got this button that switches between automatic and manual. If it's on automatic, you can no longer adjust the focus because the camera is doing it for you. So to put it back onto manual allows you to change the focus. On the back, you've got these buttons here. This one is to look back at your footage. So if you press that, it'll allow you to go back and look at all your footage that you've filmed. If you wish to delete any of that footage, press the button here, and that one deletes the footage. To record, press this red button here, just here. If you need to change the SD card or the battery, slide open the door, SD card pops out. If you need to change the battery, this one on the bottom here, little orange switch, battery drops out, and then you replace the battery, just like that. Closing the door when you've done. Okay, so to set up the tripod, what we need to do is we need to take the plate off the tripod. To do that, undo the switch on the side, press in the button. On this tripod it's here, on the other tripod it's at the front. Slide the plate out of the back, and then the plate attaches directly onto the DSLR underneath. Just screw it in. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then simply press in the button, slide the plate back onto the tripod, and then tighten it on the side. To lock off your camera, make sure that the X and Y pan are fixed. If you want to do a vertical pan, undo. And this will allow you to go up and down. To do a horizontal pan, undo this one. It will allow you to go left to right.